Welcome to AI Show and Tell for Teachers. At the Mindful Digital Collective, we're on a mission to help educators build confidence using AI, understanding how it can work for you to enhance learning and also maybe save you a bit of time. Each week, we'll share one practical idea inspired by real conversations we're having with teachers. In this episode, we'll show you how to create custom crosswords in seconds for students to reinforce their learning on any subject using Canva. But what is Canva? And what do you need to know before you dive in? Canva is a graphic design and visual creation tool used by millions worldwide. As educators, it's free to use if you sign up with your school email. For Canva for education users, your content and data is not used for AI training. All of your work and students is protected. Canva is designed for ages 13 and up, or younger students can use it under teacher supervision through school accounts. Step 1. Click on the Create circle in the top left corner of the screen. Step 2. Select Worksheet. Here we've gone with Portrait. Step 3. Once you have the worksheet open, select Apps in the left menu and search for Crossword AI. Then select the Crossword AI app tile. Step 4. When the app is opened, use the Generate with AI field to add in a subject of your choice and click Enter. We've gone with Ancient Egypt, but it could be on anything. This will then create a list of words and clues that you can edit. You can click on the toggle to view the crossword. Once you are happy, click on the button Add to Design. Step 5. Organize your worksheet. If you need to create a second page for the answers, click on the Add New Page at the bottom of your worksheet. Once you're happy with the layout, go to the Share button in the top right of the screen and download or print. Try it out and let us know what you think. Reinforce their learning, recall key vocabulary and concepts, and last but not least, give yourself some time to breathe. A quick AI transparency notice. This video was created using Synthesia, an AI platform that turns text to video in minutes. I'm an AI avatar, and Nick from the Mindful Digital Collective has written a script for me to talk through. See you next time.